Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you all the insights on the best beauty products out there. Today we're talking about a product that promises to elevate your eyeshadow game, the KIKO Milano Glamour Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette in 02 Sunset Vibes. If you're a fan of versatile eyeshadows that offer a range of finishes, you're in for a treat. This palette features 9 different shades that cater to a variety of looks, from subtle everyday glam to bold, evening-ready finishes. The KIKO Milano Glamour Eyeshadow Palette comes in a sleek compact that's easy to take with you on the go. But what really sets it apart is the mix of luminous finishes. You've got mattes, shimmer, and even glittery shadows in one place. The palette is designed for medium coverage, giving you the flexibility to build your look based on how bold you want it to be. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. In terms of performance, the formula has a nice balance between smooth application and long-lasting wear. The powders feel silky to the touch and blend effortlessly, which is crucial for creating seamless eye looks. The luminous shades deliver a soft, radiant finish without being overly frosty, perfect for those who like a more refined shimmer rather than something too flashy. The matte shades are richly pigmented, providing solid color payoff, though they require a light hand to avoid any patchiness. When I first used it, I was immediately impressed with how easily the shadows applied. The matte shades didn't skip, and the shimmer shades were vibrant without being too sparkly. I tried it in both daytime and evening looks, and the palette held up well throughout the day. It stayed intact without significant creasing, which is always a big plus. I also found that the shadows didn't fade as quickly as some other palettes I've used. However, I did notice that the glittery shades needed a good primer to really adhere to the eyelid without fallout. While they are pretty, they can get a bit messy without the right base. As for the pros, I'd say the color selection is fantastic. The Sunset Vibes palette is versatile, giving you both cool and warm tones. The medium coverage is also a nice touch, enough to create depth and dimension, but not so heavy that it overwhelms the eyelid. Plus, the different textures make it a really fun product to experiment with. On the flip side, while the glitter shades are gorgeous, they might not be the easiest to work with unless you're using a primer. It's a minor inconvenience, but worth mentioning for those who are looking for quick and easy application. The other downside is the size of the palette. It's a little on the bulky side if you're looking for something compact for travel, though the quality of the shadows compensates for that. When it comes to value for money, this palette is priced reasonably for its quality. You're getting a range of shades that offer both versatility and a bit of luxury in terms of pigmentation and wear time. If you're someone who loves experimenting with different eyeshadow looks, I'd say this is a solid investment. However, if you're just after a few staple shades, there are cheaper alternatives out there that might suit you better. Comparing it to other eyeshadow palettes in the same price range, KIKO Milano's offering stands out in terms of finish variety. Some palettes may give you more colors, but they lack the same level of texture variety. This one brings a great mix of matte, shimmer, and glitter in a cohesive range that's perfect for all occasions. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, no flimsy plastic here. It doesn't feel cheap, and it's easy to open without struggling. The product itself has a good shelf life, and the shadows don't degrade over time if kept in a cool, dry place. If you've been thinking about trying this palette, I'd recommend it for anyone who's a fan of luminous, buildable eyeshadows. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced with makeup, this palette offers a lot of flexibility. For the price, you get a high-quality product that does what it promises without breaking the bank. Mid-review call to action. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support really helps us keep making honest, in-depth reviews like this one. To wrap up, I think the KIKO Milano Glamour Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette 02 Sunset Vibes offers a good balance of versatility, performance, and value for money. It's great for anyone who loves experimenting with different eye looks. Just make sure you've got a primer handy for those glittery finishes. Thank you for tuning in, and if you've used this palette or any KIKO Milano products, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.